not many miles from home yet, but I've just stopped at Shipley Woodside Colliery. And let's go wide angle. Let's get it out. So yeah, Shipley Woodside Colliery later turned into, yep, you can't see anything. I'll put some pictures in. Yeah, it turned into the American Adventureland theme park. Unfortunately, this closed in 2007. I went to one of the auction viewing days, but in the last couple of years they've started building, you guessed it, houses on it. That's where I'm heading. We're currently at Bonsall Moor. I'll just zoom in there. Wow, I didn't meet him down that road, but got some fuel. About £9 to fill the tank, and just come up one of my favourite bits of road. It's the town of Matlock. It's a single track road, so like I say, would not have liked to have met that. And the cars I did meet coming up that road were going far too fast and had to throw themselves in the ditch. Luckily plenty of room as I was on a bike. But yeah, some people just go way too fast up single track roads. So it looks a bit damp over that way. I just walk down here a sec without getting run over. That is the town of Matlock. Matlock town itself. If I zoom in, that's the town hall in the centre of shot. And yeah, coming up this real steep road is Bonsall Moor. So let's have a look what's up there, shall we? That's an iffy one. Do I go up it, or will it just get myself in trouble? Just say access only, so maybe not worth risking that one. This is a real nice little lane to go up, but it's only the width of a footpath. It is absolutely fine to go up on a motorbike. Obviously you'd not get a car up there. I know it's a dead end, because I've been up it before, but as there's a car there, obviously off for a walk, there's no point going up that dead end and running up into some people walking if they've got a dog or anything. So I'll leave that one today, and let's head up to one of the Bonsall Moor lanes. So yeah, on one of the Bonsall Moor lanes now, if you can hear me. It's mainly gravel with a few big awkward rocks. Twists along in the middle of nowhere, then heads up there. Five-10 minute break, let the bike cool down a bit, have a quick drink of water. I'm really hoping that last one filmed alright, because the first bit I tried to film coming down here, the camera fell over. Second bit I pressed record, then obviously pressed it again because it had stopped recording. Yeah, it didn't work. I somehow clicked it in slow-mo, so recorded about a 5-minute clip in slow motion. Could be about time to put some waterproofs on. It's looking a bit black over there, which means rain. I think I found the lane I'm after though. Birchover Lane. I wonder if this vehicle's just been down it. An old school Toyota RAV4. Maybe he just lives there. Don't know what that's about, but we'll give them a shout out. Yep, I found the right place. So yeah, it looks like a farm track, but it is perfectly legal to come down on a motorbike. The one I just spotted across the road as I turned in, next to this here house. Wow, look at that. Can't quite tell what the bottom part of that writing says. But yeah, if you were a naughty person that went flying down lanes on your horse, you'd end up in there. A few little rules on this one. Simple as that. There's only one of me, so that doesn't matter. Oh, and look at this. Fill focus. Yeah, that's what I'm a member of. Let's go. Really hoping, coming through this nice wooded area, it's either going to shelter me slightly, or hopefully that rain will stay over there. A few muddy patches. It could be I get towards the end of this trail and I decide to spin round, because I've been down it before and I know the last maybe quarter mile-ish is really steep downhill and it's muddy and slidey and you can't really stop. It is steep. Well, didn't get a lot further and the steering started to get rather stiff. First puncture. Oh dear, oh dear. I'm really hoping that can of tyre seal's going to help me out here. Hopefully it's just pinched the inner tube. Not good at all. So the tyre seal didn't work. What it did do was get me off the lane and back to a almost main road. I'm just pushing it a bit further to an even more main road before I think about, do I chain the bike up somewhere out of sight? Gonna have a word with the local pub, see if I can leave it there, then get a bus home and come back with an inner tube, or ring for breakdown. Not the day I'd imagined, but it's all good fun.